Select your preferred brand, for example Panasonic, to view the available series and products. Select from the available series to view the models. The products in each series are grouped into separate sections for easier navigation. For each section from the drop-down menu, you can choose the appropriate color according to your taste and desires. In this case, we choose the color bronze from the Arcadia Slim series. When you stop at a specific product, click on it to open a window with important additional information. From the opened window, you can learn important information about the product, such as price, availability, some key technical specifications, and then add it to your order. Before adding the product, you can enter your desired quantity. Click the Add button to add the product to your order. You will see each added product in the Equipment section. From here, you can easily adjust the quantity or delete a product before proceeding with an order. Continue adding the products you want. You have the option to delete an already added product. You can adjust the quantity of an already added product using the plus and Afas buttons. Changing the quantity of a specific product automatically updates the total amount of added products. Click on a wall switch to explore its features and configuration options. Name your section to organize the equipment list for each room or area. Click Continue to review your wall socket and signal socket selections next. Confirm your selection to include these products in your special offer. You can remove items from your offer summary. You can edit any item in your offer. You can decrease the quantity if you need fewer units in your offer. Remove an unwanted product with a single click. Close the order summary to return to product selection and browsing. Add your selected items to the basket to prepare for a checkout. View your cart to double-check selections before completing your purchase. Click Order to move forward. Select delivery to your address or to courier's offices. Check this box to accept the terms and finalize your online purchase. Click Finalize Order to complete your secure purchase and enjoy fast delivery. You have successfully finalized your online order using our online switch and socket configurator.